Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with essentials. Confirm Java and optional Python are installed, plug in the scanner, and enable Twain or WIA drivers so Naps2 can see the device. Open Naps2, then create a new profile for the scanner with preferred DPI and color mode. This saves time. Once done, click Scan to grab a test page and use the page preview to crop or rotate. Make sure to select OCR language now, so text extraction uses the correct dictionary. You'll refine image processing before running OCR. Set DPI to 200-300 for standard documents or 600 for small text, and enable Deskew and Despeckle to improve recognition. Then open the OCR settings and add language packs you need so accuracy increases. Once those are configured, scan the full document or import images and review the preview pages. Make sure to run OCR on the selection or entire document. Watch the progress and inspect the extracted text for missed words. You'll finish by exporting the recognized text to a searchable PDF, TXT, or DocX. Choose PDF/A for long-term archiving. If you have many files, use batch OCR and check system memory. Processes can be heavy. Once done, verify exported text and file names, then save profiles for repeated use. If things go wrong, rerun OCR after raising DPI, switching OCR language, or applying stronger preprocessing like contrast and despeckle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.